Take a slow, deep breath and gently allow yourself to relax. Find a comfortable position. Sit with your spine straight, your shoulders relaxed, your hands resting gently on your lap, palms facing upward. Gently tuck your chin slightly downward and imagine the top of your head being softly lifted as if an invisible thread is pulling you upward. Now, gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and gently exhale through your mouth. Allow your body to relax. Allow your mind to slow down. Allow yourself to fully arrive in this peaceful moment. Root chakra. Now bring your awareness to the base of your spine. This is your root chakra. Visualize a glowing red orb of light, warm, steady, grounding. Feel yourself becoming deeply rooted, stable, safe, supported. Allow yourself to feel secure, protected, calm. Silently thank your root chakra for grounding you, for supporting you, for helping you feel safe. Allow this red light to glow brighter, balanced, steady, peaceful. Sacral chakra. Now gently bring your awareness to just below your navel. This is your sacral chakra. Visualize a warm, glowing orange light. Feel creativity, flow, emotion, balance. Allow your creative energy to awaken. Feel warmth spreading gently. Thank your sacral chakra for creativity, for passion, for emotional harmony. Allow the orange light to glow beautifully, balanced and calm. Solar plexus chakra. Now bring your awareness to your upper abdomen, just below your rib cage. Visualize a radiant yellow orb of light. Feel your inner strength, confidence, personal power. Allow this warm yellow energy to fill your entire body. Thank your solar plexus chakra for courage, for strength, for confidence. Feel the yellow light becoming balanced, strong, and steady. Heart chakra. Now bring your awareness to the center of your chest, your heart chakra. Visualize a glowing green light. Feel love, compassion, peace. Feel love flowing through your heart. Love for yourself, love for others, love for life. Allow your heart to open gently. Thank your heart chakra for compassion, for healing, for unconditional love. Let this green light glow softly, balanced and peaceful. Throat chakra. Now bring your awareness to your throat. Visualize a bright blue light. Feel your voice, your truth, your expression. Allow yourself to speak freely, to communicate clearly, to express your true self. Thank your throat chakra for communication, for honesty, for clarity. Let the blue light glow evenly, balanced and calm. Third eye chakra. Now bring your awareness to the center of your forehead, your third eye chakra. Visualize a glowing indigo light. Feel your intuition awakening, your inner wisdom, your clarity. Allow your mind to become calm, clear, peaceful. Thank your third eye chakra for insight, for awareness, for wisdom. Allow the indigo light to shine gently. Crown chakra. Now bring your awareness to the top of your head, your crown chakra. Visualize a soft violet or golden light. Feel connection, peace, spiritual awareness. Allow yourself to feel connected to the universe, to peace, to stillness. Thank your crown chakra for guidance, for clarity, for connection. Allow the light to glow gently. White light alignment. Now imagine a bright white light above your head. This light begins to flow downward through your crown chakra, through your third eye, through your throat, through your heart, through your solar plexus, through your sacral chakra, through your root chakra. This white light aligns your energy, balances your chakras, brings harmony and calm. Feel your entire body glowing, balanced, peaceful. Closing. Take a slow, deep breath in and gently exhale. Bring your awareness back to your body, back to the present moment. Gently move your fingers, move your shoulders, and when you are ready, slowly open your eyes. You are calm, you are balanced, you are aligned. Carry this peaceful energy with you throughout your day.